The egg diet is a diet that promises rapid weight loss based on low-calorie consumption, high intake of protein sources, and reduced carbohydrate content. There are several different versions of this diet, but the traditional one mainly involves incorporating boiled eggs into your daily meals, including breakfast, lunch, and dinner. But why eggs? In addition to promoting a feeling of satiety, preventing excessive calorie consumption during each meal, eggs are rich in proteins, good fats, and essential nutrients such as calcium, iron, magnesium, phosphorus, potassium, vitamin D, vitamin A, B-complex vitamins, and selenium. A single egg contains 75 calories, 5 grams of fat, 6 grams of protein, and only 0.8 grams of carbohydrates. It is considered by many people to be the villain of any weight loss-focused eating plan. The traditional egg diet can last from 3 to 7 days to 2 weeks and allows for the consumption of other lean protein sources such as fish, seafood, chicken, and grilled meat, as well as low-carbohydrate vegetables and fruits, dairy products, and a small daily amount of nuts and seeds like walnuts and almonds to serve as snacks between meals. Are there restrictions? The consumption of whole grains and cooked tubers like potatoes, cassava, and sweet potatoes is restricted but allowed in moderation. However, foods rich in carbohydrates such as bread, rice, and pasta are prohibited in the egg diet. An extreme version of this diet, strongly rejected by experts, allows only the consumption of eggs and water for 1 week. It is important to remember that restricting other foods can lead to nutritional deficiencies and cause side effects such as irritability, insomnia, digestive problems, nausea, headaches, lack of energy, and mood swings. Additionally, following the egg diet can lead to the well-known yo-yo effect, losing a lot of weight quickly, only to gain it back twice as fast when returning to regular eating habits. How does the egg diet work? Restrictive diets with low carbohydrate intake and high protein content can be effective for short-term weight loss, especially when combined with physical exercise. However, there is no research to confirm the long-term effectiveness and safety of the egg diet. Furthermore, the diet is a meal plan that restricts food consumption for a specific period. Reintroducing these foods into your routine after completing the diet can sharply increase calorie intake, causing you to gain weight even more rapidly than you lost it. Possible benefits of the egg diet. The egg diet menu offers some benefits, according to a 2019 study, because it promotes the consumption of healthy foods at breakfast, lunch, and dinner, such as lean protein sources, fruits and vegetables, rich in vitamins, minerals, and important antioxidants for health. Restricting processed foods and calorie-rich, carbohydrate, and sugar-laden beverages is also a positive aspect. A 2019 study showed that sugar-sweetened beverages can contribute to the development of cavities, insulin resistance, inflammation, and hypertension. Additionally, processed foods pose a threat to health, being associated with a higher risk of obesity, cancer, and heart diseases, as revealed by a 2018 study. Risks and disadvantages of the egg diet. The boiled egg diet is highly restrictive and offers little nutritional variety, making it difficult to maintain and potentially hazardous to health. For example, foods prohibited by the diet, such as grains, are rich in fiber, vitamins, and minerals. Tubers like potatoes are a significant source of vitamin C, potassium, and magnesium. None of these food groups are allowed in the diet. Moreover, excessive calorie reduction can, according to studies, lead to low energy levels, weakened immunity, decreased bone density, and menstrual disturbances. For any diet to be effective, it should be associated with a profound change in habits. Ideally, you should permanently include the healthy foods suggested by the egg diet in your routine, as well as restrict the consumption of processed, packaged, and sugary foods.